When I first heard about edible insects from my partner EJ, I thought, oh no, insects are so disgusting. I won't eat them no matter how. If you have the same thought as me, we are so sorry that we have a bad news for you today. The truth is, you have already eaten insects. Of course, unconsciously. This is because insect fragments are commonly found in our possibly favorite foods like chocolate, potato chips, peanut butter, coffee beans, and etc. The consumption of insects, entomophagy, might be new to you, but actually, insects are a big part of diet in many countries. In Indonesia, the grasshopper are cleaned from dirt, marinated in spices, and fried until crispy. And in Thailand, the red ants and their eggs are consumed in salad. While in Japan, the larvae of insects are fried in soy sauce and sugar. My partner EJ and I are really curious when it comes to the world of edible insects. And we have done some research on the internet. So today we are going to talk about the pros and cons of eating insects. Eating insects, as gross as it seems, benefits our body and environment in many ways. However, some insects might contain harmful contents and allergens. Without further delay, let's dive into why you should consider adding insects in your meals. The first benefits of eating insects is that insects are healthy. Okay, let us first take a look at the elements of insects. Did you know that crickets contain up to 70% of protein? With just one small serving, you actually get 25 to 60% of the suggested daily allowance. What is more, insects are a complete source of proteins as they contain all essential amino acids. So, are they only protein rich? No, some insects consist of unsaturated fats, which helps to lower your blood cholesterol level. Additionally, insects consist of micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. No matter you are on a vegan diet or always eating meat, it is possible to be deficient in some vitamins like vitamin B12. If you want to solve this problem, try eating insects as it is a perfect way to get essential vitamin B12. And don't forget that chitin can be found in insects too. Chitin is a prebiotics, which are a form of dietary fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut and eventually lead to a healthier digestive system. So the next time you are being asked to eat edible insects, grab the opportunity because insects are good for your body. Now that you have learned about the first benefits of eating insects, I'll move on to the second benefits of eating insects. So the second benefits of eating insects is that insects are good for the environment. So insects can be practically found in everywhere. They reproduce quickly and they only need a small amount of resources to survive. If you compare the statistic of rearing cattle against those of rearing insects, the amount of water used is astonishing because insects requires 2,000 times less water than cattle. And did you know that humans use around 30% of the land on Earth just to raise livestock? Fortunately, insect farming requires far less land than the traditional livestock farming. So it is much easier to farm the insects in a large scale without destroying the environment. Besides, insect farming can fight climate change. Why? According to the International Energy Agency, livestock farming is the second biggest producer of greenhouse gases. Contrastingly, insect farming only produces 100 times less greenhouse gases as compared to livestock farming. This means insect farming can reduce global warming, at the same time saving a lot of land and water too. So the next time, try to consider eating insects, as insect farming has less environmental impact than livestock farming.